Okay, I have two ripe plantain, and guess what I'm gonna do to it? I'm gonna put it in the microwave. I'll cut off cut off the head and the tail. I'll put the two in the microwave, just like that. Cover it up. Let's set it for 4 minutes. Okay, so you're gonna see what it's gonna look like when it's done. All right, stay tuned. All right, let's check it out. Ooh, okay. Okay, all right, as you can see, did you see anything? Yeah, so we gotta peel it. Peel off the skin and put it back. See, it's gonna roast very, 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 very well. Okay, I can just go like this. Yeah, and put it back in there and there, and again cover it up. Okay, set it again. 400. There you go. All right. Okay. Woohoo. All right. Okay. All right. So this is it. Roasted. Very, very good. You see? So this is another way of roasting ripe plantain in the microwave. You can roast it in a fryer. You can bake it, or you roast it in the microwave. Okay, so this is it. Now I'm gonna eat it with fried egg. Okay, all right, stay tuned till next time.